Hi, my name is Courtney on behalf of ExpertVillage, and in this series of clips I'm going to show you how to organize your various scrapbook supplies. Once you finish with a scrapbook, you'll need somewhere to put it. Scrapbooks are really neat to look through, and you've spent a lot of time working on it, so it's best not to just stick it in a closet somewhere. You'll want to put it where you can find it and look through it and really enjoy it once you've finished it. I like to keep mine out on a shelf where I can get to it, and even people that come over can find them and look through them. Any shelf will do. If you have a bookshelf or any other shelving unit in your house, you can just set these out like this. And just like any other picture album, they look really nice when you've got several lined up together. Another thing that you could do is leave them laying out on a table in your house. I know in my living room, I like to take some of my newest scrapbooks that I've worked on and leave them out on the tables, so that different guests that come over can look through them and enjoy my work. When you leave your scrapbooks accessible, it's a great way to reminisce memories with family and friends.